Hello, Virgo. I'm going to be doing your tarot card reading from the 15th to the 31st of May 2020. I've already shuffled and spread the cards out, so we straight away get into your reading. I feel that this period is going to begin with some kind of uncertainties in your mind. Perhaps you have been involved in a situation which requires you to make some decisions regarding a project, a situation that you are in, and you've been involved in this situation for over 3 to 4 months now, and it's now time that you feel you need to make a decision and make a choice and start moving ahead. You're very excited about this new venture. Maybe it's a new job in the horizon, a relationship, a prospective love relationship, an offer for friendship, or any new business or job opportunity, anything. It can be anything that you've been contemplating for a while, and now you feel that it's time to put it into action. But at the same time, uh, you have not yet made up your mind because you're still weighing the pros and cons of the situation. Even though you might have your mind set on one of the options, but you feel that you're still contemplating the other options, and you might be wondering which approach or which option, which choice is the best. So there is still uncertainty in your mind, and you might be taking a very innocent and a naive approach to this. There is excitement, there is childlike wonder in you, and you are looking forward to forming this business partnership with someone or any kind of partnership. This is the time when you are in the process of still planning this situation. So there are a lot of ifs and buts and uncertainties and doubts, and possibly you might be wondering about the financial situation and how much money you might have to put in, the investments involved. So you're just having those doubts in your mind, and you also feel that probably the initiation of this project has already begun, and you are planning that it would be a better option if you would bring it into fruition, say by the end of the year. So it's a long term project from what I can see. uh, and now is the time for you to make some choices in order to move forward, but I feel the finality will only come towards the end of the year. So you're looking for options. You are making choices and trying to see what is the right thing for you. uh, whether the other partner involved is compatible with you or not, whether it's in business or in love. It's important to understand that you are trying to unite two parties here, and whether these two parties are worth uniting together, whether it'll be a profitable venture, and whether they will be able to merge and become a single entity. So you need to consider all those points. And right now you're just in a baby phase where you're just taking baby steps towards this situation. So there aren't very many major changes that I'm seeing right now. You're still concentrating on the different options that are available to you, and how and what is the best course of action available, so that you're just testing each option to see whether which one is more viable, and just trying to bring things into balance, and to see whether this is workable for you or not. So that's how this period is going to begin for you, sorry. And I feel that there are going to be moments where you feel that the situation is getting rather challenging, and as a result of this, you might be, looking out for approvals from other people. um, there may be other people involved who might be helpful to you during this time, because I feel that either you are in a situation where there is social recognition, you are someone who is well respected in society, and you might have accomplished things in your life. So there is that sense of pride and achievement, and public approval and rewards and recognition for you already. I'm seeing financial abundance as well. But this financial abundance is going to come to you through hard work. So you're going to put in a lot of dedicated work, and you're going to be, very focused on achieving something, working hard for it, using all your skills in your capacity, dealing with all the challenges that are coming in the way, and just generally trying to make the best of the situation, trying to build something new despite the challenges, despite the obstacles, and despite all the uncertainties and doubts that might be in your mind. Um, you might be trying to, come to partnership maybe with another female, and either in work or in love, and she may be a family member, or she just may be someone in your friend circle, or she may be the mother of your children. So whoever this is and how it resonates with you is someone who is uh, able to handle professional as well as personal life to perfection. She has the spirit of a working lady as well as a beautiful homemaker. So whoever this person you are dealing with is a wholesome person, and is someone who is very respected in society. So I feel that a partnership with her would be very beneficial to you, or this is you trying to form the partnership with someone, or someone is forming this partnership with you. So this could be you also. And I feel that after a certain point, you put in enough hard work and you put in your best to create something, whether it's a partnership or a relationship or that situation that you're building on. And then you kind of take a break because you feel that it's best to do your bit and then let go to see how the results unfold before you. And there can be some kind of struggles, there can be some third party situation, whereas somebody else gets involved between the two parties and causes some conflict, and maybe causing a separation in this partnership. Some rude or hurtful words may be circulated, and as a result, there is a possibility where there could be some kind of a disruption in this partnership. But if you keep working towards it with a true heart and with a genuine heart, then it's possible that you will be able to overcome these challenges. No situation is easy going for anyone. So learn from your experiences of the past. It's a good time for you to get into the situation, keeping in mind all the options that you have. And you are someone who is self-reliant yourself. So use your intelligence, use your experiences, and come to an understanding as to how you need to proceed. And even though there will be some setbacks and there may be some third party situations where some other people may cause some differences and disruptions, so for you the best thing is not to give up, because you already worked hard so far. So keep working on this project, keep doing your paperwork if required, and keep making your plans. And you have time. Like I said, I think that this would probably come to fruition towards the end of the year in terms of finality. But in order to get movement, I think it's time for you to make those choices and decisions that are pending for you. And you might feel a bit weary, you might feel challenged, you might feel hurt and disillusioned at times. But the only way forward is to keep going, to keep working hard, to keep making those plans, to move, keep getting the movement. And through hard work, you will get that financial success, all the rewards and recognition that you are aiming at. So I think that the main guidance for you is to keep going at it. Disregard the disruptions and challenges, don't give up on that, and don't let them put you down either. Make a wise choice, because there are plenty in front of you. So make a wise choice and work hard, and I'm sure you'll get and achieve what it is you required. But it's going to take some time. So I hope that the guidance you will get from this reading will be beneficial to you. Even though these are general readings, but I hope they resonate and give you some guidance so that you can plan forward in the beneficial manner for you. And if this reading resonates, please subscribe to my channel so you get regular updates from me. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Please like, share, and subscribe in the meantime. Bye bye.